Hi kids, welcome to XYZ Kids Club. This video is all about Guess the Animal. Before starting, please subscribe to our channel. Guess the animal. It's the king of the jungle. Yes, it's a lion. Next one. Tiger. Guess the animal. Yes, you're right. It's wolf. Your next one. You got it. It's a fox. Next in line. That's correct. It's a hyena. Very simple one. It's an elephant. Next animal. Very naughty monkey. Your next one. Good job, it's a giraffe. Next one. That's right, it's a deer. Next in line. You're correct, it's a zebra. Your next one. Good job, it's a bison. Next one. That's correct, it's a bear. Next in line. It's rhinoceros. Next one. Good job, it's a hippopotamus. Next in line. Good job, it's a kangaroo. Next animal. You're right, it's a boar. Please subscribe to our channel. Guess the animal. Belongs to a monkey family. Yes, it's a chimpanzee. Next animal. Cat, cat, cat. Yes, it's a meerkat. Next animal. You're right, it's a porcupine. Next animal. Yes, you're right, it's a koala. Next one. Good job, it's a pangolin. Next online. It's a hedgehog. Next one. Fabulous, it's a raccoon. Next one. Good, it's a jaguar. Next one. Great, it's a cheetah. Next one. It's a puma. Next animal. Yes, it's a leopard. Next one. Good, it's a warthog. Next animal. It's a lemur. Next one. Very easy one. Try, kids. Yes, it's a chipmunk. Next one. Yes, it's a tapir. You're right, it's an anteater.
Like the video and subscribe.